Credible Egyptian military presence in the Sinai Peninsula and the ongoing infrastructure work has some observers in Israel alarmed. Officially, the Israeli Defense Establishment says the coordination between the two militaries remain tight and contributes to regional stability. However, the concentration of forces in the Sinai is not easily explained by the previous justification such as fighting ISIS and raises the more troubling, seldom spoken possibility that President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi and his army view Israel as a potential future adversary. Also, Egyptian sources reveal that Cairo conveyed an explicit warning to Israel in the military coordination meeting that has continued to stay off the IDF forces in the Philadelphia corridor on Gaza border, and Egypt would be considered a violation of the Camp David, that is the peace agreement between Israel and Egypt, and the Egypt would not be obligated to the agreement in the ongoing coordination regarding the situation of its forces on the border. The same report stated that the Egyptian sources emphasized that Egypt's message are based on the adherence of the Palestinian factions to the clauses of the ceasefire agreement, on Cairo's refusal to create a new geographic reality, and on the Israeli claim that it possibly to eliminate the Hamas. Israel Defense Establishment for its part pointed to long-standing cooperation mechanism that remain in place despite the reports of tension. Israeli defense sources have affirmed that the security coordination between Cairo and Jerusalem was and remains tight as it has been for years, adding that the security coordination reflects the common security interest of both centuries for regional stability and preserving national security. Moshe Fuzaloy, a research associate at the Misagav Institute of National Security and Zionist Strategy and a former Shin Bet intelligence officer who served in the senior roles in the organization, including as a member of its executive directorate, told JNS on Wednesday. Israel approved for Egypt on different occasions to bring forces into Sinai in excess of the permitted in the peace treaty, and we are today with a massive order of battle of the Egyptian army in Sinai.